Hello art lover! In the past month I posted new videos of my exposition diamonds. I have posted from March to June 2 videos per month of the exposition. I have a surprise for you. There is a 75% discount on the collection. That means that you can buy the full collection for $8. You can find the Patreon link in the description below. The theme of this month is roses. One of my favorite flowers are roses. I love the way the petals overlap. I like the variety of vibrant colors and their odor. The symbolic meaning of a rose is love and passion. I have already painted a few designs of roses, the ones that you can see now. One of my first designs was a painting of my sister's cat named Bo. And the second one was a commission. The piece is called The Rose Wicken. In my first painting of the diamonds collection, I have also painted roses. You can find the video and the story on my Patreon in the diamonds tier. I would like to hear your comment on this. So I have a question for you. What kind of flower is your favorite and why? What is your favorite color? Thank you for watching my video and don't forget to subscribe on this channel. Bye!